Amazon Polly is Amazon Web Services' text-to-speech service. It's part of the AWS AI and machine learning suite of services that enables developers to add natural-sounding speech capabilities to their applications. Amazon Polly is a fully managed artificial intelligence service that converts written text into lifelike speech. It uses deep learning technologies to generate natural-sounding human voices, making it easy to create applications that talk to users. Polly supports over 60 languages and dialects, making it globally accessible. It offers both neural and standard voice options for different quality and cost requirements. The service provides real-time streaming synthesis, allowing speech generation on demand. Additionally, users can customize speech output using various parameters to control pronunciation, speaking rate, and tone. Polly provides two types of voices. Neural voices use advanced deep learning techniques to produce the most natural and human-like speech quality, ideal for applications requiring premium audio. Standard voices offer a cost-effective option with good quality, suitable for applications where budget is a priority. Amazon Polly is widely used in mobile and web applications to provide voice feedback and announcements. E-learning platforms use it to narrate educational content and courses. It's essential for adding accessibility features, helping visually impaired users navigate applications. Voice assistants and chatbots also rely on Polly to communicate with users in natural-sounding speech. Polly supports speech synthesis markup language, or SSML, which gives developers fine-grained control over speech output. Using SSML tags, you can adjust the speaking rate with prosody tags, add pauses with break tags, and emphasize specific words with emphasis tags. This allows for more natural and expressive speech generation. Implementing Polly in Python is straightforward. First, import the Boto 3 library, which is the AWS SDK for Python. Create a Polly client using boto3.client. Then call the synthesize_speech method with the text you want to convert, specify the output format such as MP3, and choose a voice ID like Joanna. The service returns an audio stream that can be saved or played directly. Amazon Polly offers several key benefits. You only pay for the number of characters synthesized, making it cost-effective for any scale. The service automatically scales with demand, handling everything from small to enterprise-level workloads. Generated speech can be cached and replayed, reducing costs for repeated content. Finally, Polly integrates easily with other AWS services through the AWS SDK, simplifying development and deployment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.